Peace be upon you all. Assalamu alaikum jami'an. Welcome again to my channel where we deliver lessons to teach Moroccan Darija. In this video, we will introduce you to essential vocabulary, common phrases, and cultural insight related to daily life in Morocco. Without further ado, let's get started. So here, as usual, we start with vocabulary. There are some vocabulary and useful expressions that we can use to talk about daily routine in Moroccan Darija. First of all, daily routine means a routine اليومي. If we notice, the word routine, it comes from French language. Routine. Yes, there is no difference between the two. A routine اليومي. So here, in the morning in Moroccan Darija, صباح, morning, صباح, morning, صباح. Okay. كنفيق مع 7 الصباح. كنفيق مع 7 الصباح. So please, pay attention to the pronunciation. كنفيق مع 7 الصباح. Okay, I wake up at 7 a.m. كنغسل وجهي وكنحك سناني. كنغسل وجهي وكنحك سناني. I wash my face and I brush my teeth. كنفطر. I have breakfast. كنلبس حوايجي. I get dressed. كنشرب قهوتي. I drink coffee. I go to my work. كنمشي لخدمتي. Okay. Afternoon, العشية. كنتغدى مع الجوج. I have lunch at 2 p.m. كنتغدى مع الجوج. كندير قيلولة. I take a nap. I take a nap. كنخرج ندور شوية. I go for a walk. كنخرج ندور شوية. كنرجع للدار. I came back home. كنشرب اتاي. I drink tea. كنشرب. I drink. كنشرب اتاي. I drink tea. كندير تمارين ديالي. كندير تمارين ديالي. I do my homework. ليل night. night. كنتعشى مع 10. مع 10. I have dinner at 10 p.m. كنتعشى. I have dinner. كنقرا شي كتاب. I read a book. كنقرا شي كتاب. I read a book. كنعس مع 11 ونص بالليل. كنعس مع 11 ونص. I go to bed at 11:30 p.m. So here are some other phrases and expressions. I love to repeat them because practice makes perfect, as we always say. Practice makes perfect, and drilling is an effective method to memorize things. So greeting here with hello, salam. Hello, salam. How are you? كيف داير. How are you? كيف داير. Thank you. شكرا. Here are some expressions that we used to talk about daily routine also. I'm going to work. أنا غادي للخدمة. I'm going to eat. أنا غادي ناكل. أنا غادي ناكل. I'm going to eat. I'm going to sleep. أنا غادي نعس. أنا غادي نعس. Okay. Some general phrases also. Please. بغيت. I want. بغيت. I want. بغيت واحد الكاس ديال اتاي. I want a cup of tea. Excuse me. اسمح لي. Excuse me. اسمح لي. Goodbye. بسلامة. Goodbye. بسلامة. Okay. As we have explained it, so we follow the PPP approach. So here we have a dialogue. We have a dialogue that we have to practice with our family, with our friends, and with whoever you want. So this dialogue is about a day in the life of a Moroccan family. A day in the life of a Moroccan family. Okay, mom. صباح الخير البنات. صباح الخير البنات. كاين شي فطور؟ daughters. موجودة الوالدة. So here الوالدة and الوالد. So we refer to our mother and father using these words. We say الوالدة to our mother and الوالد to our father. Okay, mom. اشنو وجدتو؟ daughters. وجدنا براد ديال اتاي بالنعناع والمسمن. وجدنا براد ديال اتاي بالنعناع والمسمن. الله يعطيكم الصحة. داد هادشي بنين. مام. اوكي. باكم راه غادي للخدمة. وجدولي حوايجو. daughters. مرحبا ماما. مام. وجدوا لينا الغداء. وجدوا لينا الغداء باش العشية نخرجو نتساراو شوية. وجدوا لينا الغداء باش العشية نخرجو نتساراو شوية. اشنو غادي نديرو للغدا؟ طاجين ولا الكسكسو؟ نديرو الطاجين. راكم كيحماق عليه. مرحبا ماما. دوترز. مرحبا ماما. طب بالليل ملي نرجعو نتعشاو ونتفرجو فشي فيلم ونمشيو نعسو. بالليل ملي نرجعو نتعشاو ونتفرجو فشي فيلم ونمشيو نعسو. So here please pay attention to the pronunciation, how I pronounce the Moroccan Darija words. So now let's move to the translation of our dialogue. Mom, good morning girls. Is there any breakfast? Daughters, it is really more. Mom, so what did you prepare? Daughters, we prepared mint, tea, and msemmen. Msemmen here is a traditional Moroccan flat bread. So msemmen is most of the time, so Moroccan families eat msemmen in ceremonies. It is regarded as a main dish, especially in breakfast. God bless you. Dad, this is delicious. Wow. Your dad is going to work. Prepare his thanks for him. Daughters, of course, Mom. Mom, prepare lunch for us because this afternoon we are going out for a little walk. Daughters, what should we make for lunch? Tagine or couscous? Tagine and couscous are the most well-known and renowned Moroccan dishes internationally. Mom, make tagine. Your dad loves it. Sure, Mom. Tonight, when we return, we will have dinner, watch a movie, and then go to sleep. Now, it is a time to practice. So, here is the first exercise. Exercise number 1, fill in the blanks with Darija vocabulary. So, what are you going to do? So, you have to return to our dialogues and expressions. Then, you will fill the blanks with the suitable and appropriate Moroccan Darija words. I think it's easy if you return and watch the video or pause it whenever you want to answer. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Okay, what is it equivalent in Moroccan Darija? I eat breakfast. What is equivalent? I go to work. I eat lunch. I go home. I eat dinner. I go to bed. All those expressions are already mentioned in the video. Okay, so here are some insights concerning Moroccan culture. The importance of family and hospitality. So, family values. Family is central to Moroccan culture. Extended families often live together, supporting each other and sharing traditions. But unfortunately, recently we noticed that the extended family are in its way to be faded away also. Uh, we notice the dominance of nuclear family. We hope that the extended family will return to its reign. Hospitality. Moroccans are renowned for the warm hospitality. Guests are welcomed with generosity and kindness, offering food, tea, and conversation. I think that if you have already visited Morocco, so you may notice this. So Moroccan people are generous and they are willing to strike conversation with foreigners whenever it permits. Community spirit. When we talk about community spirit, so Moroccan society is characterized by a strong sense of community, with neighbors helping each other and participating in shared celebration. As as this community spirit is clearly seen in the last earthquake that hit Moroccan cities, especially Shishawa, and we saw the amount of community spirit. So all the people tried their best to help uh, each other. This is a good thing to see. Okay, let's talk about some traditional Moroccan clothing and accessories. We have kaftan. Kaftan also is a well-known piece of clothes that link it to Morocco. Okay, kaftan, a flowing robe often worn for special occasions, weddings, religious ceremonies, and etc. So with intricate embroidery and embellishment. Jellaba, a long hooded robe traditionally worn by men and women, made of wool or cotton. Jillaba also is worn in religious ceremonies and some special occasions. العمامة. العمامة is a traditional head covering for men, typically made of white cotton. Slippers are ornate leather slippers, often worn indoors and as a part of traditional dress. It's also worn outdoors with a jellaba. We often wear slippers with jellaba in all those ceremonies. Finally, so here are some Moroccan architecture and designs. Zilij, Moroccan zilij, hand painted, ceramic tiles, used for decorative patterns on walls and floors. Moroccan is well known of its pure zilij, pure one. Carved wood traditionally, craftsmanship in wood carving, used for doors, ceilings, and furniture. Fountains, water features are essential in Moroccan architecture, representing life and abundance. All these things related to the Moroccan heritage and traditions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video, inshallah.